Welcome to WebStarBus. If you want emojis, smileys, or emotion icons anywhere or in code editor, here is how you can do so. One way is to search Unicode emoji and you will find websites like this. At this website, emojis includes smileys and emotions, people, component, animals in nature, food and drink, travel and places, activities, objects, symbols, flags, geometry shapes. Symbols are interesting. Hover over emoji, copy emoji code, and paste anywhere. Let's say in this URL. Or in this input field. Literally anywhere. In code, in text editor, in URL, in text area, it will work almost anywhere. This is our code editor. We can paste those emojis here as well. Cross mark, check mark, circle. So these are beautiful and work everywhere. But in this case, you need to copy the code from somewhere else. If you use Visual Studio Code, you can use just colon and then select the emoji. It will be inserted in Visual Studio Code. Colon, thumb up, colon, here's some badge, colon, smile. You can also press Ctrl I for Emoji Picker to select and insert emoji in editor or terminal. Ctrl I. To use these emojis directly inside Visual Studio Code, go to extensions and search for Emoji Sense. This is the extension that is enabled for me right now. For this extension, you can customize settings to fit your needs for the code editor. Like this. Here is its repository. If you go to its issues, you can see this enable emoji sense in all languages. And here is the setting. If you want to add language support easily. So here is how you can add emoji support right inside code editor. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.